by profession. As a teacher, when I come across any young mind or any young heart, the small kiddos, the little ones, who are not able to read properly, who are not able to write properly, who are not able to guess the small spellings which are there in their new textbooks, in their new environmental science book. Mama, what is this word? Is it growling? At Mama, I'm not understanding this one also. What is this word? Purring. Is it puring? Is it puring, Mama? What is that? Sounded. Sounded. Is it sounded? Okay, Mama, please help me in reading, please, Mama. I really feel bad, and as a teacher, I feel that this is my responsibility to impart this knowledge, this skill into these young hearts, into these young minds, through whatever knowledge I have. That is why you need to come here to me, because I am the one and only solution. Not one and only, but yes, considerable one. Your child also having the same problems of reading Purring as purring or puring, Sounded as sunded or something like that. And what was this word? The last word he asked about, growling, growling or something like that. Oh my god. So yes, this is why we are here together. Here is this place, this one place where your child can experience the basics of phonics, the basics of sound, the basics of reading. We're going to start from the scratch, and yes, this is my challenge to all of you. Within 2 months, you are going to see the transformation, the change which is going to come in your little kid. So here we go. Let's roll on. Learn with Sana. The sound of I, E. O, U is one digraph. Out, so.